The paper of the day is Data Blocks, Hybrid OLTP and OLAP on Compressed Storage using both Vectorization and Compilation. The goal of this work was to reduce the main memory footprint in high-performance hybrid OLTP and OLAP database systems without compromising high query and transactional performance. To achieve this goal, they developed a novel compressed columnar storage format for the hybrid database systems, termed data blocks. This compressed data format was further improved by lightweight intra-blocking indexing called positional SMA for improved scan performance and SIMD optimized predicate evaluation. The fine-grained adaptivity of data blocks necessitated the integration of JIT compile query execution with vectorized scans in order to achieve highest possible performance for compilation as well as query execution. This paper serves as a blueprint for integrating all these innovative techniques into a full-fledged hybrid OLTP and OLAP system. Looking at the evaluation, paper uses TPCH and TPCC benchmarks for their evaluation. To evaluate compression, paper evaluated the compression ratio of their compressed data blocks in an initial experiment. As input data sets, they chose TPCH scale factor 100, the largest relation to the Internet Movie Database IMDb, which contains the casts of movies, and a dataset containing the flight arrival and departure details for all commercial flights within the US from October 1987 to April 2008. Query performance. To evaluate query performance, paper first looked at TPCH scale factor 100 and compared query runtimes in Hyper and JIT compiled scans and vectorized scans on their uncompressed storage format, and vectorized scans on their compressed data block format. OLTP performance. To measure the overhead of accessing a record that is stored in a data block compared to an uncompressed chunks, we performed a random point access experiment where they selected random records from a compressed TPCH customer relation, scale factor 100, that is around 15 million records. Looking at the contribution, there are quite a few. The first one is data blocks, a novel compressed columnar storage format for hybrid database systems. Second is lightweight indexing on compressed data for improved scan performance. Third, SIMD optimized algorithms for predicate evaluation. Fourth, a blueprint for the integration of multiple storage layouts combination in a compiling tuple at a time query engine by using vectorization. Let's talk PS score. Overall, this paper is a nice read, so it gets 9 out of 10 on readability. It's 16 pages long along with that appendix, so it scores 9 out of 10 on length. The description of the approach is pretty good, so that makes it 9 out of 10. Industry value learning meter is good, so it gets 9 out of 10 on each. Overall PS score is 9 out of 10.